Busy professionals don't have time to sit at a body shop for hours. That's why mobile dent repair is becoming a popular choice in Houston. Instead of driving to a repair shop, a technician comes to your home, office, or job site. This saves time and keeps your day on schedule. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is ideal for fixing door dings, minor dents, shallow creases, and light hail damage. It removes dents without repainting, helping preserve your vehicle's original factory finish. Many providers offer same-day service and photo-based estimates, allowing you to send pictures of the damage, receive a quote, and schedule a repair without leaving your home or workplace. Mobile dent repair is available throughout Houston and nearby areas, offering a convenient solution for commuters, business owners, company fleets, and anyone with a busy schedule. PDR preserves your vehicle's value by avoiding paint and fillers, though severe or structural damage may still need traditional repair. Mobile dent repair is often more affordable than a body shop because it has lower overhead costs. Many providers also help with insurance claims for hail damage. Before booking, choose a mobile dent repair company with experienced technicians, strong reviews, transparent pricing, and a workmanship warranty. It's a fast, convenient, high-quality option for busy Houston drivers.
If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.